Welcome. While we often seek nature's wonders far from home, some of the most extraordinary ecosystems exist right inside our walls. Today, we'll discover how common houseplants, nature's silent air purifiers, can transform our homes into healthier, more vibrant spaces. Meet the spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, a champion of resilience and air purification. This humble houseplant has earned its reputation as one of the easiest and most rewarding plants to grow indoors, making it a favorite for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers alike. Its arching striped leaves aren't just decorative, they're natural filters, removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air. These pollutants are commonly found in household products, but the spider plant works tirelessly to keep your environment cleaner and fresher. Spider plants thrive in almost any condition, forgiving even the most forgetful caretakers. Whether you place them in bright, indirect sunlight or a shadier corner, they adapt and flourish, asking for little more than occasional watering. Through tiny pores on their leaves, they absorb toxins and break them down, quietly detoxifying your home. This natural process helps create a healthier living space for you and your loved ones, all without any effort on your part. Their unique runners produce spiderets, miniature plants ready to start purifying on their own. These baby plants dangle gracefully, adding visual interest and making propagation simple and fun. This self-propagating cycle means one plant can quickly become many, amplifying their air cleaning power. With just a little care, you can share new plants with friends or fill your home with lush greenery. For beginners, the spider plant is the perfect start, easy to care for, endlessly giving, and remarkably forgiving if you miss a watering or two. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. The spider plant proves that beauty, health, and simplicity can go hand in hand. Add a spider plant to your space and let it begin the transformation, one breath at a time. Watch as your home becomes brighter, fresher, and more inviting with this living air purifier. The spider plant, resilient, beautiful, and quietly powerful. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in your everyday life. Next, let's explore the snake plant, Dracæna trifasciata, a true icon among houseplants, instantly recognizable by its tall, sword-like leaves that reach upward with striking confidence. Its bold architectural form makes it a favorite for modern interiors, effortlessly blending style and function. This plant is nearly indestructible, thriving in low light and with little water. Even if you forget to water it for weeks, the snake plant will keep growing strong, making it perfect for busy lifestyles or those new to plant care. Its secret weapon? Nighttime oxygen production, a rare trait among houseplants. While most plants take a break after sunset, the snake plant keeps working for you. While most plants rest at night, the snake plant absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen as you sleep. This unique ability helps purify the air in your bedroom, creating a fresher, healthier environment for restful sleep. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, supporting restful sleep and cleaner air. Imagine waking up feeling more refreshed, thanks to the plant quietly working beside you all night long. Its bold form adds modern elegance, but its true value is in its nocturnal air purification. The snake plant is both a design statement and a natural air filter. The snake plant is a silent, tireless guardian, perfect for any home. It asks for so little, yet gives back so much in return. Place one by your bed and breathe easier, night after night. Let it quietly support your well-being as you rest. The snake plant, beauty, resilience, and a healthier night's rest, all in one remarkable plant. The peace lily spathiphyllum is both beautiful and functional. Its white blooms and glossy leaves bring elegance, but its real strength is air purification. The peace lily excels at removing ammonia, benzene, and trichloroethylene, common household toxins. Its broad leaves absorb pollutants, while soil microbes break them down. When thirsty, its leaves droop, a clear signal for water, making it beginner-friendly. It's a living ecosystem in a pot, recycling toxins into nutrients. The peace lily softens any space and rewards care with stunning blooms. Its greatest gift is invisible, constant, quiet detoxification. Bring home a peace lily for beauty and cleaner air. nature's art, working for your well-being. The Boston fern, scientifically known as Nephrolepis exaltata, brings a touch of the ancient forest right into your home. With its lush arching fronds, it instantly creates a sense of tranquility and natural beauty, transforming any space into a green oasis. Its feathery, delicate fronds not only beautify your surroundings but also act as natural humidifiers, releasing moisture into dry indoor air and helping to maintain a comfortable environment. This is especially helpful in homes with central heating, where dry air can cause discomfort, dry skin, and even respiratory issues. The Boston fern's natural humidity boost can make a noticeable difference in your daily comfort. Boston ferns are also top performers at removing toxins, like formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant found in furniture and cleaning products, making the air you breathe cleaner and healthier. They thrive in high humidity and indirect light, making them perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or any spot with filtered sunlight. Their adaptability means you can enjoy their benefits in many rooms. Caring for a Boston fern is like tending a piece of the wild. With regular misting, watering, and a little attention, you'll be rewarded with vibrant, lush growth that brings life to your home. The Boston fern is truly a living air filter and humidifier in one, working quietly to improve your indoor environment every day. Add one to your home for a healthier, greener environment, and enjoy the calming presence it brings to your daily life. Ancient, lush, and tirelessly purifying, the Boston fern is a timeless favorite for any indoor space. Aloe vera is more than a healing plant. It's a natural air purifier. Its thick, water-storing leaves are famous for soothing burns, but they also filter benzene and formaldehyde from the air. Aloe vera signals poor air quality with brown spots, acting as a living pollution detector. It's easy to care for, just bright, indirect light and minimal watering. This plant offers both immediate relief and long-term health benefits. Aloe vera is a practical, dual-purpose addition to any home. Let it heal your skin and your air. Simple care, powerful results. Aloe vera, nature's first aid kit and air filter. The bamboo palm, Chamaedoreaceae fritzi, brings tropical elegance and powerful air purification. Its slender stems and arching fronds filter benzene and trichloroethylene, common indoor toxins. Like the Boston fern, it humidifies the air, making dry spaces more comfortable. The bamboo palm thrives in bright, indirect light and tolerates lower light better than most palms. It's easy to care for and perfect for filling empty corners or creating a natural screen. This plant is both decorative and functional, working quietly to improve your air. Invite a piece of the rainforest into your home. The bamboo palm, lush, calming, and hard-working. The rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is bold and robust, with glossy, dark green leaves. It's a top performer at removing formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant. Its large leaves absorb toxins, which are then broken down by the plant and soil microbes. The rubber plant tolerates lower light and is easy to maintain. Just avoid overwatering and keep its leaves clean. As it grows, its air purifying power increases. It's a living sculpture that quietly improves your environment. Add a rubber plant for dramatic style and cleaner air, strong, striking, and purifying. The areca palm, Dipsis lutescens, is a favorite for both beauty and air purification. Its feathery fronds remove formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, processing large volumes of air. It's also a powerful humidifier, releasing up to a liter of water daily. Place several in a room to boost humidity and comfort. The areca palm thrives in bright, indirect light and needs consistent moisture. It rewards care with vigorous growth and fresher air. More than decoration, it's an active partner in your home's ecosystem. The areca palm, vibrant, efficient, and endlessly giving. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a tenacious trailing plant with a special talent for reducing airborne mold. It's especially effective in damp areas like bathrooms, quickly lowering mold spore levels. English ivy also filters airborne fecal particles, making it ideal for bathrooms. Its cascading vines offer versatile decorating options, on shelves, in baskets, or up trellises. Hardy and adaptable, it prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. Note: its leaves are toxic if ingested, so keep it out of reach of pets and children. English ivy is a beautiful, powerful ally in cleaner indoor air, trailing, climbing, and purifying. The Gerbera daisy, Gerbera jamesoni, brings vibrant color and serious air-cleaning power. Its bright blooms filter trichloroethylene and benzene, making it perfect for bedrooms and laundry rooms. Like the snake plant, it releases oxygen at night, supporting healthy sleep. Gerbera daisies need direct sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. With care, they'll reward you with weeks of stunning flowers. This cheerful plant proves that health and beauty can go hand in hand. Add a Gerbera daisy for color, joy, and cleaner air. Bright, beautiful, and hard-working. Our journey through the world of air-purifying plants ends here, but your journey can begin today. Choose a plant that speaks to you: spider plant, peace lily, or Gerbera daisy, and let it transform your home. Care for it, and it will care for you, bringing cleaner air and a touch of nature's magic into your life. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to live naturally well.